vlog. My name is Martha if you're new, and today I'm gonna be doing some more apartment hunting. So in my last vlog you saw me look at an apartment, but we didn't get that one, so I'm still on the hunt. Today is Sunday and we're about to go look at one right now, so I'm gonna take you guys along, so stay tuned for that. So guys, we just looked at the first place. This place was in Red Hills, and it was going for 50,000 a month, but as you can see from the footage that I got, it was not it at all. Like, nope. So we're going back down the hill now. I'm not sure we're gonna head now. We have a few other numbers that I'm going to call to see if I can go and look at them, so we'll see what happens. Hey guys, so I just got back home and I don't know if I'm gonna be vlogging anything else for the rest of the day, so I just really wanted to express my true thoughts on that place that we just saw. So of course the place is for $50,000 a month, which is below the budget that we have, but I mean it seemed reasonable, so we're like, okay, let's go and look at it. Guys, my reaction, first of all, from we pulled up to the house, my reaction was, what is this? Like, the yard looked like, first of all, the house looks like it needs to be demolished. I didn't show the outside of the house because I was just I didn't want to pull out my phone and start recording, you know. I wanted to have some manners. But the inside of the, first of all, it's downstairs and the entrance is like, it seems like it used to be like a cellar or something. The ceiling is low and the bathrooms are dark. First of all, the bathroom look like 40 like good at killing in them bathroom there. I don't know what is that. Like, to me that is disrespectful to be renting that to somebody. Like, I just feel like if you're renting a place, it should at least meet a certain standard before you even rent it. And if, no matter how much you're renting it for, fix up the place. I'm happy that I looked at a place like that so that you guys get an idea of what is being rented in Kingston, Jamaica. Since the whole COVID thing, rents have fallen, so rents have gone down by at least probably like 20%. So I know that if that was before this whole virus situation, then it would have been going for at least probably 60,000. Some people came after us. I don't think they spent 5 minutes. I mean, we didn't spend long, and then like as soon as it turned out, like the people who came behind us, they just turned right up behind us. It was so funny, guys. But no. Let me just, if you are a landlord in Kingston and you're watching this, please take some pride in the places that you are renting to people. If you wouldn't live in it, don't try to rent it to somebody else. And no matter how cheap the rent is, like, no, it is better if you fix up the place and rent it for a higher price. Hey guys, so I'm on my way to look at another place right now. This is not an apartment. Well, the first one I looked at was not an apartment either. It was more like a flat. So I'm about to go look at another flat. And it's not far from where I live. So we'll see. It's not the best area. I don't really love this area. I don't love the location that much, but we'll see if the property itself is good enough for me to forget about the location and take it. So we'll see. I'll try to show you guys inside as usual. I'm not sure if I'll be able to, but fingers crossed I will. And let's hope this one is a good one. I have a better feeling about this one for sure. So I'll come back to you soon, guys. But as you saw, the finishes are kind of they're working on it now. So there's some repairs and stuff that they're doing to the place. So it doesn't look all that good, but like it's rough to find a good place in Kingston. I'm telling you, like just a decent place. I'm gonna think about it. Don't know if I'll be taking it, but I don't know. I'll let you guys know if I take it or not, or if we get it, because of course there's a long line of people looking at it, because once it's within a certain range, there's going to be a lot of people wanting to get it, because rent is so ridiculous in Kingston. So guys, I'm home now. I'm so tired. Wait. I'm tired, guys. So that place that I just looked at, I don't think we're gonna take it. I mean, to move from where I am now, where like it's not, I don't think I can move to that place. The finishes are just ugly, and the tile is ugly, and the counter looks crappy. And even if they finish fixing the bathroom, like it just don't look right. Like I don't understand why these people find it in their cells to be renting these places. It just look good. And that place was for 65,000. I don't want to pay 65,000 for that, honestly. So guys, I guess I'm gonna keep looking. I feel so disheartened about trying to find a place right now, honestly. If I wasn't just so fed up with the space in this place, I would just stay, but it's extremely small. I think I'll show you guys when I'm leaving, but here is very small, and that's why I really want to move. But bruh, like this looks like it's going to take a very long search to find a suitable place, because the places just don't look up to par. They're not it. I'm gonna go to the supermarket now, but I'm not gonna vlog. I feel really tired. I went to bed late last night, and I'm just not in the mood to vlog right now, you guys. Honestly, partly too because of the whole apartment hunting thing. Like, I just feel disheartened because if that is what's out there for my hard-earned money, I don't know. I can't live in those places. Like, I have like so many decor ideas and stuff, and it's like I don't know if I can. No matter how much decoration you do, I don't know if I can really make those places look good. So you guys, I'm gonna end the vlog here, and I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.